Hampshire Public Library. It's Jenn Cline. We are on week 3 and we will be making Santa gnomes today. These are fun little characters that you can leave laying around your house or decorate your tree with or leave them at restaurants for people. They're fun. They're super cute. Little kids love them. I'm going to start off by showing you how to make a square from a rectangle. We're going to take our rectangular piece of paper. We're going to take one corner and we're going to fold it all the way over to the edge at an angle, so you're making a triangle. Now you don't need this rectangle piece anymore, so you can basically just fold along that edge and either cut it with scissors or like I did, just tear it apart. So we're going to take a square. I'm going to get my square paper. You'll see this was a piece that I used earlier that I can now use for this. So you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold two of your edges right up along that center piece, just like this. And get a good solid fold. Now we're going to take our tip of our paper and we're going to fold it all the way down to the bottom. So you're going to have something that looks kind of like this. We're going to flip it over and we're going to take this, just this top piece, and we're going to fold it down just like that. Now I'm going to rotate it so that you can see what we're working with. Got this piece up here. We've got this. This is going to be Santa's face. We're going to give him a lip for his hat, which means we're just going to fold that down a little bit. So I just took that piece and just folded it down. Now we're going to flip our piece over and we're going to fold our arms back. So we're going to take these flaps on the side. You're going to fold it back. And then you're just going to bring it out a little bit. Those are going to give Santa his arms. So, you know, he can carry his bag and stuff. And then what you can do is you can take your Santa hat, and I'm just going to fold it over to the side because I think that Santa looks pretty spiffy with a hat folded over to the side. Now you can give him some eyes. This is where my markers come in handy. Some eyes and a happy smile. Give him a nose. And then, of course, you want to color in his hat. His hat is red. His suit is red. And his arms, because that's still part of his suit. And then I like to give him a beard, which he kind of has because it comes down like that. I'm sure your decoration will be much better than mine, but that's our Santa gnome, and he's super cute. Thanks for coming along and visiting for week 3, and hopefully we'll see you at week 4. Thanks a lot. Bye.